にちは皆さん Ms.P です。 Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. How are you everyone? I hope all of you are safe and well. So today I'm gonna show you my new dining room. I actually changed my office/bedroom into dining room. Actually, I studied about interior design for 12 years all by myself by watching HGTV show, my favorite house and home YouTube videos, and also like I love all kinds of decorating magazines and books. And then I found out interior designs are all about the colors. So if you use more than 4 colors, actually your room is gonna look so chaotic. But if we use like at the maximum 3 or 4 colors, our room is gonna look so nice and gorgeous. So this time I used 4 different colors: black and white, green and yellow. So let's get started. So this is my new dining room, which used to be my office or bedroom. And then I painted all walls white, and also I painted these IKEA's chair black. They are so pretty. This is so pretty with a white cushion. I really love it. And also this dining table is from IKEA too. And everything basically from IKEA. You know what? I made this table runner with IKEA's fabric. And this pillow, I made this with IKEA's fabric. And this plant is from IKEA. And also these drapes I made with IKEA's fabric. And the bottom part I added solid green colored fabric from Joanne Fabric. And actually I made this pillow with IKEA's fabric and Joanne Fabric. And also this pillowcase my mom made it, which stitching, you know, everything like stitching. And then it looks so cute like this. I really love this pillowcase. I think my mom spent a lot of time to make this. And actually backside it has zipper like this. And also this pillow is from IKEA. And I bought this beautiful chandelier from Lowe's. It's so nice, 6 bulbs. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna light on now. It's not nice, it's so beautiful. 6 bulbs, it's so beautiful. And also this side of the wall, I hang 2 clocks. The right side is New England time, and then left side is Japan time. See, it says Japan time, but clock is broken. I have to fix it. And this is New England time. And also like I painted this chair gray. It used to be oak color. I don't like oak color, but like I painted it light gray. I bought this bird of paradise plant from Home Depot. It was only $42. Unbelievable. It's so nice, it's super nice. It can grow more. That's what the lady said at the Home Depot. And then I really love this art, black and white art, and it looks like salad bowls. However, it's simple, but like this is somebody like a famous person, famous artist's art. And then I put the cute IKEA's chair over here. It's so cute. And this one, my bookcase, is now display case like this. And then we have an air fryer over there. But recently I bought a kitchen range with air fry. But I don't get it yet. And then I created this shelf. I put all kinds of board games, and also like these katana sword I bought for my husband. So this side of the wall we put a barn door, white barn door, and 3 pieces of glass in it. It's so cute. I love it. And then currently this is my husband's closet, but I will put this maybe bookcase into it. It's perfect size, and I'm gonna make this pantry, and I don't have to make shelves because this bookcase is perfectly fit in there, and this will be pantry in there. And also this china cabinet, I wanna paint it black in the future. Yay. Hi everyone, how was my new dining room? I hope you like it. So see you in the next video. Bye!